Hi everyone. Welcome to the Road Digger update. We couldn't resist adding our brand new Atlas handlebars to various bikes, and Beate's stylish street bob was no exception. She's absolutely thrilled with the cool new handlebars and the transformation they've brought to her Softail. Not only do they add a cheeky look that perfectly complements the little breakout, but they also provide a more upright sitting position for the rider. Crafted from aluminum with an impressive 45mm diameter, these handlebars come in two different heights. For the Road Digger, we went with the 25cm high version. Thanks to the precisely fitting riser and the clever internal routing of the clutch and brake lines, this upgrade is a complete game changer. The short fenders and slim aluminum tank contribute to the sporty appearance of this conversion. While the silhouette may remind you of our breakout conversions, this one's a true non-breakout. That's right. In this case, we've based it on the narrow sister of our breakout conversions, the Street Bob. With eye-catching wheels in the open-mind design and auxiliary parts like toppers, air cleaner, and engine cover, she's a star on the road. And let's not forget about the stunning old paint dress we've recreated. A big shout out to Cruise Design for hitting the mark. So buckle up, because the Road Digger is ready to turn heads and conquer the streets in style. Thanks for watching.